Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we have a LEGO City Set 4899 that was released in year 2009 for ages 5 to 12. This set consists of 28 components, to which I was supplied with 7 additional components supplied here, and within these 7 I was supplied with 3 additional grey components which actually are not part of the product build, though I'm grateful that I received them. This set was also part of a few promotional offers throughout the world, one being in the Spar shop in Austria in 2009. It was then later released through the Salon d'Illion Ultraculture in Paris in February 2009, and then it was given away in the Daily Mirror in November of 2009, and then it was also given to entrants who entered into a building contest at Toy World in New Zealand in 2009, and then later released as a promotional offer through the Total Gas Station in Germany in 2010. Now this is quite a nice little set, I believe, because how I've actually come from a farming background myself. The reason why I like this is actually it comes one with a miniature figurine, which gives a lot of multiplay for the toy itself, because it brings this actual little miniature tractor to life. And the actual head of the actual figurine only has one head print on one side, and obviously the torso itself only has one print, as I will show you later on in the actual product build itself. I have many more things to bring to you, as well as other custom builds, etc. So please subscribe to my channel, and later on this video, if you carry on watching, I'm going to show you how to build this particular model itself. So take care, and I look forward to seeing you again here soon. Bye bye for now.